At DroneSense, we make it easy to integrate multiple drones, cameras, and devices into one unified platform. Today, we're showcasing how DroneSense OpsHub brings together live streams from different hardware manufacturers and operational teams, all in a single real-time mission. With DroneSense OpsHub, we can stream multiple video feeds simultaneously from various devices, giving teams a complete operational picture in real time. For this demo, we simulated a public safety response, bringing together multiple drones and cameras. Here's how it worked. The DJI M30 provided high-altitude overwatch, delivering a wide area situational awareness. For navigating hard-to-reach spaces, we flew a DJI Avata, maneuvering under vehicles and through narrow gaps. A GoPro mounted to simulate a K9 unit provided ground-level view, just like in real SWAT operations. Using MSAT via DroneSense, we integrated an Android-controlled drone, expanding hardware compatibility. Even a simple iPhone inside a squad car acted as another live video feed, adding valuable real-time intelligence. For DFR operations, we deployed a DJI Dock 2, allowing remote teams to launch a drone on demand. A second aerial asset, the DJI Mavic 3 Thermal, provided additional overwatch, helping teams see from multiple angles. All of these assets, air, ground, remote, and tactical, were live streamed in real time in a single mission. With DroneSense, public safety teams get a complete operational picture, no matter what hardware they're using. DroneSense OpsHub makes multi-platform, real-time operations simple and seamless. If you're looking for a better way to manage your drone missions, get in touch with us today.